YouTube? It's your boy Chaotic Kicks, man, and I'm back with another review for y'all. As you know, man, these Shattered Backboard 3.0s has been a real hype out here, man. You know, a lot of people was trying to get their hands on it, and I think these here were more limited than people actually thought. But before I get into all that, man, I want y'all to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I drop a video. Listen, also, man, your boy also picked up the matching hat to go with the sneakers. I thought this was a pretty dope hat. It does have that same patent leather on here that, well, I ain't gonna say patent leather on here. It's just a leather on the hat, you know what I'm saying, that matches the sneaker, you know what I'm saying. And bruh, I also was able to grab a couple of a pair of socks, man, to do the on foot for y'all, man. You know, got me in the Halloween spirit. You feel what I'm saying? So I grabbed a pair of socks that got trick or treat on it, man. So I throw this on for the on foot for y'all. But man, enough talking, bro. Let me go on ahead and get into the video. You dig? Listen, this right here is the Retro 1 Shattered Backboard 3.0. The colorway reads on here is black, starfish, pale, vanilla. This is a Air Jordan 1 High Retro OG. This is a size 10 personal pair. You know what I'm saying? The retail for this sneaker was 160 bucks, man. You know what I'm saying? I want to give a huge shout out to the homie IBA and my bro What the Sneakers. They both was able to secure a pair for your boy. And bro, you know what I'm saying? I got them both over here. You know, I got one to rock for the feet and one to sit on. You know what I'm saying? Or whatnot. But anyway, man, let's go ahead and flip the lid open and see what these bad boys actually look like. As you can see, when I open the top, you do have that quality control stamp in there. You know what I'm saying? And you get your standard white paper as usual, as any Jordan 1 box you'll get. But man, look at these things here, man. These things are fire, bro. You know what I'm saying? Put this one here, and let y'all look at this one while I review this one. As you can see, it does have that sail bottom, man. You know what I'm saying? And you got that glossy patent leather midsole on the sneaker. This one does come with an extra pair of shoelaces, you know what I'm saying? Strings or whatever you call it from wherever you from, you know what I'm saying? You got that orange laces that come with it, extra laces that come with it, flat laces. As you got the black laces that's, you know what I'm saying, originally come with them, bro, and they flat too. You know what I'm saying? Like, as for myself, I don't own none of the other Shattered Backboards at all, man. You know what I'm saying? I wish I did. You know what I'm saying? But I was less fortunate to, you know what I'm saying, have any of them, so I can give you a comparison of what all of them may look like, or even give you a look at any one of them. You know what I'm saying? But your boy got this one in the collection, and I'm happy. But to get back over into the review of the sneaker, the orange on here is the starfish pale they were talking about, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and go with that. But like I said, you know, you do have your wing logo, and it looked like it's stamped in there, just like on the patent leather ones that they always do. It look like any patent leather one that they do, it look like they just stamp it off in there, man, instead of covering with a stitch or whatnot, you know what I'm saying? But this is a pretty dope sneaker. As I can see from the tongue, you know what I'm saying, you got the Nike Air on the tongue. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to go ahead and remove the shoe tree. And you do have that same starfish pale orange off in the inside. You know what I'm saying? You see it in Nike Air in the insole of it. You know what I'm saying? This factory date on the sneaker is 6/05/19 to 08/01/19. It does have the QR code inside of here. You know what I'm saying? So, man, you know, I'm glad I'm able to put this in my collection, you know what I'm saying? Add it to the collection anyway, you know what I'm saying? Also, man, we already know, man, the Fearless ones is coming out tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know in the comment section if y'all are going for that, if y'all was able to hit on raffles for them as well as these right here, man. You know what I'm saying? Leave a comment. I love interacting with y'all, man. Love hearing what y'all have to say about sneakers, and y'all let me know how my review went and all that, man. I really appreciate everybody that's rocking with me, man. You know what I'm saying? Your boy just hit 600 subscribers, man. We on the road to 1K. You know what I'm saying? So appreciate everybody for the love. You know what I'm saying? And definitely the ones who come up and pull up and leave comments, man. For real talk. So with that being said, man, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to go ahead and lace these bad boys up for y'all and give y'all on foot, you dig? So I'll see y'all on the next one, you dig? It's chaotic. Peace.
In 12 years, still standing, been around. I've been through hurricanes.